Today's expression is this. At first glance, it looks super easy, but one small mistake can make your answer completely wrong. Most students get this wrong because they don't follow the correct rule. If you solve this expression without using the rule, there's a high chance your answer will be incorrect. In today's video, I'll explain the rule that will help you never get these types of questions wrong again. If you already know the rule, tell me in the comments which rule should be followed. You have only 5 seconds, hurry up, and let's see who can prove they're a math genius.